Today we're going to show you how to use the VLine 2 on a 2006 Acura TSX. The VLine works with the touchscreen here. There's a few buttons like map, menu, and info that can be keybound. And then the VLine will appear in the CD changer source. To go out of it, you can press any source option here or the mode button on the radio. And once you've exited the VLine mode, everything will be factory. So we can access all of our menus, and we'll press audio to go back here. And the CD aux button will bring you back to the VLine. You can also press it to go to the XM sources or any other of the accessories that you have. There we go. And then to keybind, the buttons on the bottom here, that'll be under key mapping. And you can tap whatever function you'd like to bind and press the button for that. While you're in the VLine mode, you can't hit AC to get to the AC. You'll actually need to exit the source, and then you'll be able to see it here. And then to get back to the VLine, we'll just go back to the CD changer source.